Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back and excited to drop this new tutorial. This right here is a quick tutorial on how to do a glueless wig install. Now this is something for when I say quick, I mean like you're about to pop out and you only have an hour to get ready. That's how fast we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this in under 30 minutes, minus the crimps. So as you can see, I don't have my hair braided down. I just pulled it back into a ponytail and I put on a black stocking cap. I mean, I have the nude stocking caps, but I use those for my clients. So I just put this down on myself. You can't see it either way it goes. So yes. So now we're going to start off with the GOT2B gel in the yellow tube. Some people use the black tube, but I prefer to use the yellow tube because I believe it sticks really well. It gets super tacky, as if it's like Ghost Bond or Bold Hold or something. And I don't have the cap all the way down to my edges, but I'm also not placing the gel on my edges. Even if it gets on your edges, it's completely harmless. I just don't be trying to put it on my edges, you know. You just don't want to. Now I'm taking the spray and I'm spraying it down on top of the gel. And then we're just gonna lay it down and blow dry it. See? Fairly easy. And we're just going to continue the same thing for both sides. Just lay down the gel and then spray the GOT2B spray right on top. And the good thing about the gel is it's not so messy. It doesn't get messy at all. This part wasn't laying at all the way that I needed to until I repositioned it, and then yeah, melted. Everything down the way you want it to be laid, take your blow dryer and just blow dry it down. The same way when you'll do an install using glue, sometimes you have little pieces of lace at the top that isn't fully glued down. It's the same thing. Just lift up the tab and spray a little spray on it and push it down and blow dry.
That's good.
Here we are repeating steps 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're doing the same thing on the left side. That was a rhyme. Now we're using our Afro-G moves to lay everything down and to get that defined melted look that everybody loves. Put it along the entire hairline as well as the top of the hair, and then you're going to put your hair up, take like a brush or a comb and just push everything into place. point, we want to go ahead and tie it down. You can use a scarf, an elastic band, whatever you like to use. So you can go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes. If not, you can hand dry it for like 10 minutes. And then if you have to style, I would say keep it tied down until you're done styling. Honestly, this was the first time I crimped my hair, my own hair, and it was pretty difficult, but they came out really nice. And it's fairly easy to use. I just had to get the hang of it. So I basically, when I close it, when I clamp it or whatever, I pull the remaining hair up. So it kind of creases it on its own, and I keep doing it all the way down, and I spray it down with some spritz. I use the Fantasia spritz. It's pretty lightweight. It doesn't give you that too crunchy hold. So spray it down, take the crimper, crimp, flip the remaining hair up, and you want to crimp back where that hump is. I'll show you in a second. So when I open the crimper, I start the new crimp exactly where that hump ended. 1 second. Boom. Right where it closed, you want to start.
That's good.
And I part my hair with my fingers so the pieces aren't too big and they're not too small. So they're kind of like medium. And I actually like this size because it makes the hair look like deep wave, like a real nice deep wave. Now let's see what that hairline looking like. Wow, melted. What lace? Scalp. Was so blowed because this was a cute crimp and it got caught up with me tying this darn paper. And now we're done. See, real quick and simple how to go ahead and install a previously installed wig with just GOT2B gel and some mousse, and a quick tutorial on some crimps. I'll do a better tutorial. This is my first time doing it on myself, so I'll make a better one with the wig not on so I can actually see the back and everything. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.